Hello everyone. I think I've got a hot one here. I think this one was stolen off the jack stands. 2001 Jeep Cherokee Limited. 4-wheel drive, 4.0 automatic. It's got a brand shiny new rough country 4.5 inch lift with 4 adjustable control arms on the front, full spring packs in the rear. All the parts are shiny clean. They didn't even get time to bleed the brakes on this one, so it doesn't have any brakes. I think it was stolen off the jack stands. It's got a solid body on it, runs good, lot drives, stops with an e-brake. It's got fuel efficient tires and wheels on it at this time. .242 transfer case. $157,000 miles. Ugly headliner. Looks like a new exhaust. It's definitely got an exhaust leak. I hear some tapping going on. Got some dents and dings, but it's got potential. This will make a nice project for someone. 4.5 inch lift, runs, lot drives, stops with an e-brake. Send us an email, give us a call. No trades, no financing, no test drives, no startups unless you bring a trailer. Thanks for watching.